Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the VULCAN Report. This end-of-day report is for trading on Monday, May the 8th, 2017. Quickly looking at the gold futures chart, as you can see, we're starting off the week relatively quiet. Not a lot going on here. Still showing relative weakness. Market is trading below the blue momentum trend line here, and we are looking like we could head toward the bottom of the Kumo cloud initially here, and that'll put us lower around the 1209 level. So we're watching that intently. Market needs to close above 1249.80 this week in order to put an end to the downtrend. Not a whole lot to talk about today, as it was relatively quiet for a Monday. Looking at the silver futures, a little bit different story. This one here is a lot weaker than the gold. This market needs to close above 1712 this week in order to put it into the downtrend, and it looks like momentum could pick up in the overnight and send us to new lows. We are in jeopardy of dropping below $16 and possibly midway into the $15 handle in silver. Looking at your mining section here, looking at starting with GDX. GDX tried to recover. We're currently in an inside week so far. Not a lot going on, trading within last week's range. Market needs to close above 22.28 this week to put an end to the downtrend. Right now, this is trading below the blue momentum line as well. Looking at GDXJ. GDXJ is pretty much analogous to silver. It's trying to get a little something here. Looks like it's trying to put in a bottom and race back up toward the blue momentum line of 32.46. We need to close above that in order to put it into this particular downtrend. If not, this is in jeopardy of heading lower too, and possibly into the $28 handle. So we will keep our eyes and ears open on that one. Moving further ahead now, looking to, let's see here, looking at the Bitcoin ETF. You can see here we finally broke $200. This one is absolutely on fire, and looks like the next stop is around the 220 range on the Bitcoin. Next up, we got natural gas. Natural gas still trying to determine what it wants to do. Big old ramp coming up. We have a couple bounces here. This one's still on tap for at least 340, 350. That's my initial target on the natural gas. Looking at crude oil. Crude oil right now is going the way of the mining section. We have put in a new leg down here. Market is still trading within last week's enormous sell-off, and we got a little bit of a ramp here coming up. So we'll see if it's going to consolidate around these, around this resistance upper end of the Kumo cloud. Technically speaking, we're still inside the Kumo cloud. So this one is probably just going to consolidate for a while, but it does need to close above $48.25 to put it into the downtrend. You can see the spillover here in OIH. All right, it's deeper into the Kumo cloud, needs to reverse and close above $28.39 this week in order to put it into the downtrend. And we do have very steep ramps coming up, which could catapult this thing back up into the $34 handle. Let's see, we'll end up here with the dollar index. Very steep ramps coming up to catapult this back up to the 102 level, and that's what it's trying to gun for right now. Last but not least, let's take a look at the bond picture, how interest rates are looking right now. With the bond prices coming off, yields are in jeopardy of rising again, and this is in jeopardy of seeing another rate hike coming up here soon, especially if we drop below 148.06. We drop below 148.06, and that swings the door wide open for another interest rate hike shortly, very soon to be exact. All right, with that said, remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Do yourself a favor, invest in yourself, invest in your future. Come and join us at pulsewavetrading.com, where you can purchase this trading study course, learn what the central banks don't want you to know, learn how to trade and navigate these markets, learn about where you are, and figure out where you need to be. The truth of the matter is, it is necessary now to learn about these algorithms, because I must tell you right now, the powers that be are quietly accumulating shares in dark pools, big institutional trading, and not only that, but the high frequency trading. There's no way you can map that out and know what's going on outside of learning what it is they don't want you to know. And we do teach you that at pulsewavetrading.com. You will not learn these techniques and strategies anywhere else. All right, with that said, be encouraged. See you in the trading room. Peace.